Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and welcome back to Sir Hasnan's English Language Academy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss with you true false not given question in academic and general training modules of IELTS. Many students struggle with this question, but today I am going to give you some technical instructions which will help you solve these questions with 100% correct answers. First, have a look at this sample passage before you. Sarah and Ali are good friends. They live next to each other. They play together. They study together. Even they go to their schools together. They also go to the same tuition center. Miss Sana gives them tuition. She is a dedicated and hardworking teacher, but she only teaches 7th grade students. Ali and Sarah have a common friend named Ahmed. Ahmed is a best friend of Ali. Now I'm going to ask you some questions with this passage. You people have to pause the video at each question and write down your answer, either true, false, or not given, in your notebooks. So I hope you get it. Here you are with question number 1. Ali and Sarah live in the same area. True, false, or not given? Question number 2. Ali and Sarah study in the same school. Question number 3. Miss Sana spends a lot of time with her students. Question number 4. Ali and Sarah study in the same class. And question number 5. Ali is the best friend of Ahmed. Now you may match your answers with my answers on the video. So question number 1. Ali and Sarah live in the same area. This is true because they live next to each other. Next to each other means in the same area. Question number 2. Ali and Sarah study in the same school. It's false because they go to their schools together. यहाँ पर schools का मतलब है कि वो दोनों अलग अलग स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं. Now question number 3. Miss Sana spends a lot of time with her students. It's not given because ये information तो दी हुई है कि she is a dedicated and hardworking teacher, but ये नहीं बताया कि she spends a lot of time with her students. And question number 4. Ali and Sarah study in the same class. तो आपको पता है कि they go to the same tuition center. Miss Sana teaches them and she only teaches 7th grade students. And question number 5. Ali is the best friend of Ahmed. ये not given है क्योंकि ये तो लिखा है कि Ahmed is the best friend of Ali, लेकिन ये information given नहीं है कि Ali भी Ahmed का best friend है. Now let's go through some technical instructions. You people need to remember these instructions and you will always go great guns with the answers for true, false and not given. Instruction number 1. All the questions are answered in sequence. जिस sequence में questions होंगे उसी sequence में answers given होते हैं passage में. Instruction number 2. The first statement is not usually not given. पहला statement अक्सर भी नहीं बल्कि ज़्यादातर not given नहीं होता. यूँ कह लें कि 99% not given नहीं होता है. Instruction number 3. 2 consecutive statements are not usually not given. और जब एक not given हो जाए तो उसके बाद फ़ौरन not given नहीं आता है. ये भी 99% confirmed है. And instruction number 4. Always take 2 statements together when reading the passage. In case the former one is not given, you may find the later one and save time. अगर आप passage पर कोई आंसर की इंफॉर्मेशन तलाश कर रहे हैं तो आपके पास 2 क्वेश्चंस ट्रू फॉल्स नॉट गिवन के होने चाहिए ताकि अगर एक नॉट गिवन हो तो दूसरा आपको मिल जाए और आप टाइम सेव कर लें. Now there is an activity or task before you for true, false and not given. You may take a screenshot of it and then solve it. There are 6 questions given with the passage visit the island state of Tasmania. You people will definitely follow all the technical instructions I've given you. You must give me your feedback in the comment section. We will meet again in another informative video on IELTS reading. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.